ngoba uyibona nje le ngane abathi umahungu utshele izenza into ekhumbula imina engathi yakhala ikhaliswa zinhlungu zikaNaledi. Naledi uyimise kabi tshele twemise kabi uNaledi izimgudli thuyilokhu isimchomela ibe isimbiza ngama-drugs uNaledi awayiphoxe ngutshele Naledi futhi uzoyishaya-ke eshaya uNaledi awungilwele Naledi nkosi yami ngiphendulele mina kodwa ngivusa ngayo ngoba nakho ngimdala kanti iyona educoma ekhanda lami lengane uzoyishaya uNaledi. Naledi wajijela ngamabhodlela lapha lehluhluwe wama waba strong waba uJobe samnetha wazi wayodonswa ube yini kumahu wahlela amabhodlela ube yini mahu umshaya nje Naledi shaya Naledi awusesikhathele anginamuntu okagcogcoma ngasithola isibhaxo lapho phapha kabi lengane leni phapha kabi ungathola ukuthi nje lokubanga lo manqale nalo Naledi bangwa lo manqele manqale phela kadlala ngutshela akadlala liyobuya ngumanqale sabeqale nini manje ukuphikelana nangu baba bambangayo eshaya kuNaledi layishayo ziyoqoka.
So that I put you up to speed. This is Welile Mchunu, right? Very kind of famous with voice note, more like Ibinga, but vela akazwani no Mahu, right? Because she's the one who, when Mahu was unyaka wathi uba lo Mahu lo uyini dumengani. So Welile and Mahu, they don't get along that much, but it's not too serious. Mahu is not serious about it. However, now Mahu, Welile speaking about Mahu and Naledi, we all Naledi, we all know Naledi. Naledi yahlanyaka vele kan. So Naledi and Mahu, they do not get along, and I don't think there's anything that could be done. So it started where Naledi has been trending for the past few days about that boy who wanted money, about the dress and everything, and then okay leke wavela abathuka ke ngoba akahlani akasitoshike nje wavela abathuka kuNaledi. And now we remember the fact ukuthi, and then now ugela update status uMahu saying hey anyeka ama drugs bakithi. So obviously she was saying it to Naledi, and then abantu bamphampa uNaledi ngapha, and then she was like blah blah you must qoka and all of that. So they are fighting uNaledi no Mahu, and then Mahu then was like nginemizi 3 nginemoto 4, and then Naledi is like of course you are 33, you're supposed to have all those things. I'm just 19, I just finished school, you know, I'm taking a gap here, so why you want to compare yourself with me? Of course I'm a child. Then we really come in through and all of that. So we remember the fact to Mahu accused Naledi of being a drug addict because Naledi was friends with Mahu's younger sister Hlengiwe was dating this boy uthanda isithembu usamkelo sejona lengane le yamadosh. uNaledi wangazi there's something eyenzakalayo lapho between uSamke and then they basebaxabana, so they know each other because they're all from the same township if I'm not mistaken, right? So uMahu then decided ukuthi athenga iphathi yasisi wakho omncane, and then uNaledi walick inamba kaMahu wasethi hayi i-mistake. But all of those things guys lengane zine drama. I love Naledi, but this girl this girl doesn't know that she's famous, but she's a good singer. She sings like she's talented. Her music is just pure clean. She's got a voice and everything, you know. So yeah, this is the fight that is going on between the two. What do you think of these two guys?